If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Apex Legends account, this guide will help you resolve the problem quickly and easily. Follow these steps to enable account sync. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause syncing issues. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary syncing problems. Step 3. Verify your account link. Log into your EA account and check if your Apex Legends account is properly linked to your gaming platforms such as PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. If it is not linked, follow the prompts to connect your accounts. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your account and the specific syncing issue you are facing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in Apex Legends. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.